look ways, not to judge our problems, but what they weigh. And it's okay not to be okay, even though your happiness may feel like a phase. 'Cause everything feels bigger when it's all piled up, and little stones become boulders when they're held for long enough. Skim your stones across the river and see how far they go, and always let your feelings flow. Glory over time, you write a different story over time. You will find yourself in life, and someday you will find your freedom from the skies in your mind. And maybe some will never see them. Don't let that dim your own light. Don't have to tell me once, don't have to tell me twice. I can see your face, the heart we left behind. Don't have to tell me once, don't have to tell me twice. I can see your strength, you'll reach the other side. You're electric picnic. Over time, you will find your glory over time. You write a different story over time. You will find yourself in life. You've got to keep your heart open. I didn't want to cause a scene, but you said, wow, wow, wow. Where do we go from here? And I said, how, how can I make you feel when you're tipsy? And I thought we're driving, trying to figure out this way of diving. Wow, wow, wow. Where do we go from here? Cloudy night, you drive me home. Search for stars, but all I see is twinkles in your eyes. I could see this going somewhere. I could see this going far. But the backseat driver in my mind reminds me not to touch. They say it's better when it's stolen, but I don't like closed eyes. They say to fix it if it's broken. Is that the same with trust? I never fall in line. I never follow rules, but this time I'll try. This time I'll try. Come to
bright ach Shodív Roisin na Geralt. Right, Donacha, Knesu. Donta. Donty Donna.
Okay. Tome again of Irat Mukwik Donti again of Glon Viar and this so Tome con Irat of Antrelas. Kun as well got in a mulhu.
For the P1 time!
Oi.
Big shout out to the birthday girl!
Scream if you want to go faster.
Scandal wat ik al discussieerde. Fáilte Chancellor, Fáilte gáil mórimid faoi an elephant sa genre agus neoníimiid a cant faoi James a iné chatháile ó Sears aige. What I got cheese them burritos boy, you need to kind of go start that shit, you know. Tá mana bhfuil Chancellor a cluiste ná feice go rifa is mise hiúí go cheada Jasper Lufte Matasha hello tá so much like mai what I call it daily fecal region slua seo a fecin goes for fun a was Alavan seo and lad mo yesh. Actually, no, that's mature play. No, that's much last because this is actually we're in podcast shop. And lad mo yes, there's a fecal and telly, there's a fecal and radio. There's well not the fecal and radio.
Oh, that'll be first.
That would be first. We've invented the television. What do you got? I guess it's Amy Yerher. I encourage you to go through your phones over. Hey, James of Florida. James, a hash key ever had to?
Come on, yeah, it's a team.
It's just we can only be ourselves, you know, and I think at the moment because we've got to have Irish, like say for myself in Gaelscoil and Gael Closhta, it's part of my childhood, so it'd be silly not to include it in my music as well. And so it's just kind of got to this point now. There's also loads of young people that are speaking Irish. I remember the first time I went on Oireachtas down in Kerry and there were loads of families speaking Irish and like just fully like kids and their parents, and it was like their way of life was through Irish, and that really blew me away because I'd only ever seen Irish being spoken in a school, you know, and even in secondary school we didn't really speak it. There, a teacher would come by and we go, oh yeah guys, no man, and faker and I'm sure not will she go Holland. Anyway girl, yeah fuck her, she's an absolute cunt. So like you would just switch as the teacher would come around.
Clearly Chapel Row, not the 8th in Shinarana. Kneecap your Marbrisha Cree. Mar Bevrolam them are Marshali. August Shassam Leshem Balishteen. Obviously, August Parliament Popco. It's Parliament Popco. KNEECAP, Tom Mastigo, Never Mogger Lever, Bulletif, this policy. Apple Aini the Gwipnies, Atrami, KNEECAP, the Ogler, Mega Gigany, Alice August, Teaching come left hill, Paylock Conway, and Brew Arish, KNEECAP, on drug well, May, Mother, Bralamy, KNEECAP, near hand, hip hop, room, fury, machine, Kate Fogg, Mohim, Jungle, Brown. The invitation was in orange order. It's just good old Chapel Road. Oh God, come on, jumped up. Oh God, come on, Brown. The invitation like Netanyahu. It's just good old Chapel Road. Balaman of May, oh yes, church value of the so our value really came Ina. Ta rap off Carton Lore. Ocus she's Beyonce's in Wales. Ní féidir iad a chána. KNECAP, Tá Massacre, Mever Mager Lever, Bulletif, this policy, and Apple Aird out of this HME, KNECAP. Cut fi couple of lyricy Bader Free Club, Pink Pony. KNECAP, on drug well made money follow me. KNECAP. Oh, they had hip hop over real. I just don't know what to do. Oh my god. This guy's got Guelga, he's got it at home. Oh my god, you must have kneecap. Oh my god, you speak Irish. Oh my god, you speak it at home. You must love kneecap. No, I love Chapel Roan! Chapel Roan! Fair enough, just stop, mate, just stop, mate. Okay? So it's cracking, it's cultural appropriation, and now it's just Patagonia. For my forage like memo in your mission memo. Hey, there we go. Patagonia. Tá sé gcónaí Patagonia. Sin there shit. Freaking that shit. Ravenia ag kneecap inné? Yeah, kneecap. Yup na Gael. An ceist to be honest inné, ná ceirtás a bum bag. Atá ag Liam Ketamine, probably is ketamine. Oh. I think just go Aaron. I don't know, and actually on can't she a sale martian. I think it's an act. No, it's problem Mika. Yeah, Sheila Bader will phone again. Go she can call Lauren gig or be like, oh, Tom cost course here.
Yes, they're in 46A, right? For the day, Gory, not row. So speaking of fingering, it's band single night. Gusula le brita freshen. Agus Tony Erna Apana, Agus Tosha on Jacker, Erna Apana. Related on Erna Apana, no? No, Tosha on Jacker, Neil Gusula, Chapter, Electric Picnic, you know. Neil is the god, okay, I thought Erna Apana, it's fair to love it. Doing var for, deal to druggy, veganach, you know, so shin. Doing fire for who, you know, you're the murderer. Ach to McCordic alert to she'd post an ish, right? Agus an ish to on fervor coup to she didn't dry shites. Oh no, Broner, Tishmori, am I in Tishmori a stick? Yeah, well, Broner. Neil dry shite who, you know, thought just like picnic electric up, you know? Ach, you know, it's dry shite seeds, Agus, you know, Irene she like me compordach nor a bulam now.
Urwan mar de vi me for me part son nativity. Agus for me an pre-fart de Joseph. Agus dear me an motor. Nach fioch sé nís far an part of hort de Seamus no Mark. Agus dúirt sé, no, fioch tusa nís far le the broad shoulders. And your massive willy. Ní lach Willie beag a gum. No, ní léon Willie a gum. Ní bhfuil na ráflí sin atá timpeall a ríist. But is bralam Gaeilge, and sa scoil, you know, bhí mar ag fálam Gaeilge, níl caintear duchsa gom go cuaimé go dtí scoil. Agus bhí Albert Awan, an Queen live se an Albert Awan a bhí oring a bheith ólas a going sa scoil. The one sentence we had to learn in school. Can you say it?
There are lostness no runners suas, so Tommy Cart Color, you know. Agus so Carolina's fihead on Farlin and Lee Mail Daney. Agus Vul me leis app úntach, right? Tá app úntach gur féid le mná. Bu gáí níos sinna. Bula le fair dasa óga ó níosacht. An an app seo rólas a gwydd? Uber Eats. Talking she there, scooter beag, to go hauling. Is féidirlí the track all looks me down a grady whack.
Alex Wood.
Thank you very much.
How are you getting on? You just land down on site now?
No, I've been here since Friday.
How's the head?
It's lovely now, yeah. I just had a shower. First one, so.
We had the pleasure of seeing him get dressed in the dressing room.
I just landed and got on stage. We had a sound check of all things at 9 o'clock this morning, and I felt this bear hug from behind from Dom, little tiny pin eyes on him. He didn't see much of the bed, I'd say.
Sure, he's here now. He's grand. Yeah. It's your history probably with Electric Picnic stretches back a good bit. Good memories of like the early years.
Well, nach sin, you know, nach sin an, you know, gohiliach mas not. Ach, you know, sin ráte, like, mohin sé go bhfuil daine a déanamh scoileán like an Éireann, agus go bhfuil just caid an iontach á chricint ag stúrthóirí agus a scríbhneoirí agus ag easú.
Confusion, but how do I see through this illusion? I don't know what's right or wrong. I'm sailing into a storm. Oh no.
Guidance within us. We just need to quieten down and go in. But we get caught up in the chaos all around us, don't we? And we kind of forget what our soul really needs.
Réaltóíocht, satellite, agus an áit atá ag ortír Éireann san Airnás Spástal atá aniu. So, what's not great, Kermit Tuxflesh? So, just focal beag boom. Is as bhaile clé mé mar gúil sibh agus drasú mé ar Gaelscoil de ran an Cláistón in Iescart áclí is agus an sin na bhór mé an grá tágan don mata agus an éasach agus an Gaeilge tágan. Agus iníos sin le mé rá go Cláiste Ollscoil bhaile clia agus chrígní mé céim san astrophysic agus mástruach san astrophysic.
Cuahan de bara.
Iníos sin chaf mé seall ag obair thar leabhar de Gníomhach Spás na Eorpa. Agus fhui láthair tá mé man doctoracht ag denistadar ar gamma gatainna, ní de bhar gamma gatainna, agus ag tógáil satellite chun na rudí seo bhra. So, bhí mé ar na gamma gatainna again second.